The question is, find the final steady temperature rise and heating time constant of a transformer if the rate of change of temperature rise is 0.375 degrees Celsius per minute and 0.227 degrees Celsius per minute when the temperature rises 29.1 degrees Celsius and 46.7 degrees Celsius respectively for constant loss dissipation. So we are asked to find the final steady temperature rise, that is theta m, and the heating time constant, that is Th. So we have to find theta m and Th, and in the question the rate of change of temperature rise is given. So we can write it as d theta by dt. So d theta by dt is 0.375 degrees Celsius per minute when the temperature rises 29.1 degrees Celsius, corresponding to 0.375 degrees Celsius per minute. The temperature rise theta is 29.1 degrees Celsius and corresponding to rate of change of temperature rise 0.227 degrees Celsius per minute. The temperature rise theta is, it is not theta m, it is theta. So the temperature rise theta is 46.7 degree Celsius. So we can write this as d theta 1 by dt and theta 1, and let this be d theta 2 by dt and theta 2. So these are the parameters given in the question, that is the rate of change of temperature rise and the temperature rise corresponding to that. So that is given, and it is said that the heat dissipation is constant. So constant loss dissipation. So that is also given. Now we have to find theta m and Th. So for that we can write the expression for temperature rise at any time, that is theta, that is equal to theta m into 1 minus e raised to minus t by Th. And nothing is mentioned about the initial temperature rise, so we can assume that the machine is starting from the cold conditions. So we don't have to write this expression, that is theta is equal to theta m into 1 minus e raised to minus t by Th plus theta e into e raised to minus t by Th. Nothing is mentioned about the initial temperature rise, so we can assume it to be 0. So that is the machine is starting from the cold conditions, like that. So we will have the expression for temperature rise as theta is equal to theta m into 1 minus e raised to minus t by Th. Now we have to find the expression for d theta by dt, because in the question d theta by dt and theta is given. So we have to write the expression for d theta by dt. So we can differentiate theta with respect to t. So we'll get this as d theta by dt will be equal to, we'll get it as theta m, d theta m by dt will be equal to 0, and then theta minus theta m into e raised to minus t by Th. We have to take the derivative of that. So we'll get it as minus theta m e raised to minus t by Th into derivative of e raised to minus t by Th is minus 1 by Th. So we can write this as theta m by Th into e raised to minus t by Th. So this is the expression for d theta by dt. So now we can write this expression as, we have to substitute for e raised to minus t by Th. So for that we can write this expression as theta is equal to theta m minus theta m e raised to minus t by Th, and from this expression we can write theta m e raised to minus t by Th is equal to, we are taking this to the left hand side, so that is equal to theta m minus theta. We have to take this theta to the RHS, so it will be like this. Now we can write e raised to minus t by Th as theta m minus theta divided by theta m. So in this expression, that is, if this is equation number 2, we have to substitute 2 and 1. So we'll get the expression for d theta by dt as, d theta by dt is theta m by Th into e raised to minus t by Th. So instead of e raised to minus t by Th, we can write theta m minus theta by theta m. So theta m by Th into theta m minus theta divided by theta m. So this theta m and theta m gets cancelled. So we'll get d theta by dt as theta m minus theta divided by Th. Or we can write the heating constant Th will be equal to theta m minus theta divided by d theta by dt. And here in the question it is given that constant loss dissipation. So Th is equal to, we know Th is equal to Gh by S lambda, and this dissipation, heat dissipation is constant. So Th will be a constant. So we can write Th is equal to theta m minus theta by d theta by dt. So this can be written as theta m minus theta 1 divided by d theta 1 by dt, because we know the rate of change of temperature rise corresponding to a particular value of theta. That is equal to theta m minus theta 2 divided by d theta 2 by dt. And we know the value of rate of change of temperature rise for a particular theta. So that is written over here. So we can substitute these values. That is d theta 1 by dt is 0.375 degrees Celsius per minute. And theta m minus corresponding theta 1 is 29.1. So we can write that over here is equal to theta m minus 46.7 divided by 0.227. That is also given over here, 46.7, 0.227. So we have substituted the values. Now we can solve for theta m. So solving this, you will get the value of theta m, and that will be equal to 73.7 degree Celsius. So this is the final steady temperature rise. So that was asked in the question. So we have got the final steady temperature rise as 73.7 degree Celsius. Now we are also asked to find the heating time constant. Heating time constant is Th. So we know that Th is equal to theta m minus theta 1 by d theta 1 by dt, or it is equal to this expression theta m minus theta 2 divided by d theta 2 by dt. So we have found the value of theta m now. Now we can substitute that value of theta m over here in any of these two expressions and find Th. So we can substitute that in the first expression itself, theta m minus theta 1 by d theta by dt. So theta m in the value, theta m is 73.7 minus 29.1 divided by 0.375. And you will get this as 118.9 minutes, because the rate of change of temperature rise was given as 0.375 degrees Celsius per minute. So we will get this unit as unit of heating time constant as minutes, and if you want to convert this to hours, you have to divide it by 60, so that you will get it as 1.98 hours. So this is the heating time constant. So the two things asked in the question were theta m and Th, and we have found both theta m and Th.